Katie Simpson joins us now from Washington. Katie, we're now just over a week away from another round of tariffs, which are expected to deal yet another blow to the Canadian economy. These reciprocal tariffs, set to take effect on April 2nd, will target all U.S. trading partners, including Canada. In the past, when Canada faced trade threats from Donald Trump, the Trudeau government responded swiftly, assembling a senior team to manage the crisis. This approach was seen during the NAFTA negotiations and previous tariff disputes. However, this time feels different. The Canadian government is currently in caretaker mode, and there are no signs that the Trump administration is particularly concerned. Adding to the situation, Alberta Premier Danielle Smith reportedly asked the Trump administration to delay tariffs until after the Canadian election, citing a liberal resurgence in the polls. Her comments, made during an interview with a right-wing American media outlet 2 weeks ago, are expected to draw scrutiny if Trump or his administration comments further. Interestingly, Trump recently distanced himself from Canadian conservatives, stating he'd prefer working with a liberal government. It's a surprising stance that many will be watching closely. Meanwhile, Trump has been drawing comparisons between Canada and Ukraine in his trade rhetoric. During a recent complaint about Canada's trade stance, he remarked, "Some people don't have the cards," a phrase he previously used during a tense Oval Office meeting with the Ukrainian president. This time, Trump doesn't appear to be joking or simply targeting Justin Trudeau, especially since Trudeau has since stepped down. As Trump continues to push for expansionism, his latest move has caught attention. He's now sending a high-level delegation, including the National Security Advisor